everyone, this is incredible. This is a Deadpool taco truck. This is like, this is so cool. You could look. Let's go inside. Can you see into the driver's part? Let's see. Can you see in there? Yeah. This has a full kitchen inside. Look from up top. Look at, oh my god, it's like a real taco truck. Chimichangass. Okay, so go in the back. Look in the back of, see the kitchen sink. Look at it. This is incredible. Oh my god. Can't wait to get my hands in it. Oh my god. This is gonna be cool. And that's the roof in the back. I think it's a GameStop exclusive, so I just picked it up for 25 bucks. But I couldn't help myself. We have to have it. But there's just a little teaser, but this is how much scale we're in? 160, no.
112. 112.
This is a big truck. It's not even, it's way bigger than the Batmobiles. We have the Batmobiles, but oh my god.
And you can see on the floor, you have the panels of the comics that they drew.
Oh, that's cool.
So they have Deadpool, all the drawings down there.
Cool.
You can see. So I wouldn't recommend opening this because it's.
Alright, well, we'll be back with all of our diecast, metal diecast from
Jada.
And we have the
metal figures.
The metal figures. So we have Deadpool and the girl Deadpool.
Lady Deadpool.
Lady Deadpool, yeah. Okay, that's it for now. Until we do a full opening or something.
On maybe May 18th when Deadpool 2 comes out.
Yeah, and look out for our comic book day video. Okay, that's cool.
Alright.